Hello, this is Eric at Print Short Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a new look inside and out. And first, looking at the back seat, we have seating for three spaciously and comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom of both sides, but then you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your eco coach, your start stop status, your radio station, your fuel economy. Then you can also exit out of that and go into your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and seat belts. You can also look at your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. Your favorite screen, much like My View, where you can put any of these separate controls, apps, whatever you want here for ease of access. And then you have your actual app screen, your settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch fees, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view with a 360, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls with dual zone front climate, but also heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then to the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, of course, tow haul, eco, and sport mode. And then on the other end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, we have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this button here opening the compartment above your glove box for more storage. Then moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt with a USB and USB-C, and a shelf here for more storage. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with even more storage potential underneath with a locking it's lockable as well, so you can secure some stuff in there. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.